What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree, the Dollaree location, and right away I'm seeing lots of name brand items. We have once again the SGX NYC Dry Touch Dry Shampoo. This time it's in a little tiny container, travel size. And also I'm seeing more of these in black. I saw some of these in one of my other locations. This is the High Beams Intense Temporary Spray-On Hair Color. So it's nice to see those are back. Also new for the week, we have a tea tree oil and salicylic acid balancing face wash. The brand is Skin Nutrition Botanicals. Oil-free, silicone-free, fragrance-free. It's also paraben-free, phthalate-free, and sulfate-free, hopefully. I said all of those correctly. Here's also another new item, and I got some of this for Birdy, and she really likes it. This is the Lusty Coconut Oil for natural hair. This is sort of like a hair lotion, but I'm noticing something else that's also new. So we have this as well. This is the leave-in conditioning cream, repairs and restores. Birdy really likes hers. Again, I really like the Lusty brand. I've purchased a lot of items for Birdy and she's really liked them, and she toggles between using a lot of high-end items but also using some Lusty items as well. We also have a brand new coconut oil hair serum, 3.5 ounces. It's like the matching set. So we have the moisture treatment, we have the hair serum, and we have the leave-in conditioning cream. A nice little set of new items for the week. I love that. I love that we can just try like the full set of products. We have a sugar coffee body scrub by the brand Be Pure. Sugar coffee, and this one is sugar coffee as well, except the packaging is a little bit lighter. Okay, this is the shave gel. Usually it's over here. Okay, this is in the flavor Berry Blast. Now I wanted to mention something to you guys because in one of my other stores we had two brand new shave gels, and I was trying to decide whether or not those shave gels were new fragrances. The pink one is actually brand new because I went ahead and compared it to one that I had at home, and the one that I had at home I think was a raspberry pomegranate, and I believe the new one is just raspberry. Ooh, look at this, you guys. 48-hour invisible gel, Derma Plus antiperspirant. I believe these go for like $8 at Walmart. We also have the non-medicated Blemish Patches, 24 in a box. I definitely want to get these and let Birdy try them out, or maybe I'll try them out. But she loves to try out new skincare. Okay, what else do we have over here? You guys know I love to point out the new items up top. Look at this, you guys. We have 32 ounces. This is the Gently Coconut Liquid Hand Soap Refill. Those are definitely new. We also have the 32 ounces of Gently Lavender. If you're a couponer, a paper couponer, hey, all you need is a $1 off coupon and you're either getting it for free or getting it for 25 cents. We still have the big 22 ounce safeguards. Aqua Dreams, they always put these out around Valentine's Day. Darling Heart and Touch of Love. You guys know that these are dupes. These are dupes to Victoria's Secret scents. I'm pretty sure. We have Musk and Freesia, Pear and Blossom, and Blackberry and Lilac. I love the packaging. Okay, what else is new? Sometimes we have new deodorants, not too often. Oh, but look, you guys, this is also new and part of that line, but this is the Lush Beard Oil, 3.5 ounces. So that is definitely a part of that set. We also have beard balm over here. We have beard wash. I had gotten Birdy the pillow spray and she said she really liked it. Birdy was pretty happy to get that in her stocking. Bath crumbles. Lots and lots of scrubbies. Let's see if I missed anything. I showed this last time I was in. We have new Be Pure items in the scent tea tree. We have the clay mask. We have the oil, and it says ideal for blemish skin. And then we also have this one. I don't really know the difference between this one and this one. Facial oil. This one, it just says tea tree oil. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the difference is. I guess one's an oil and one's a facial oil. I'm gonna consider getting this and trying it out. Let me know if you guys have tried this yet. The face wash. I'm kind of curious about that too. My store is looking so amazing. I came in and they're like totally getting the Valentine's Day area ready, and it just looks so nice and neat in here. Like everyone in here is just doing such a great job. And look, you guys, all these cute little soaps are still here. Yeah, my store is just looking super neat. It looks amazing. Look at this, you guys. It is so looking just like, you guys, my store is looking so amazing. So amazing. I always like to check over here to see if we have anything new. New baby items. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. I think these are new. These fleece blankies in pink and blue. Then we also have green and purple elephants. Those are definitely new. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so amazing in here. Wow, it is so very well stocked. So amazing. We still have the Boulder Clean spray in here. This is brand new, Magic Power multi-purpose cleaner with hydrogen peroxide. Definitely new. 32 ounces. You have it looking so amazing in here.
Thank you.
Yes, it looks so amazing. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
You too, honey. I know I gotta hurry home because the blizzard's coming. Have a safe trip home. Yes, you guys. That is the woman that keeps this store in line. She is the only stalker that I know of for this location. She keeps this store in line and she does an amazing job. 12 ounces, you guys, brand name cereal. These are the only ones I've seen in my area, the 123 berry. I haven't seen any other varieties. I've seen some other Dollar Tree shoppers and haulers show other name brand cereals, but that's all we have in my store. Okay, now I just paid $1.89 for some wide egg noodles next door in Aldi, and I'm glad I got them because I'm not seeing them here, but usually we have them here in Dollar Tree. But you know, I don't know. You guys, I kind of had a feeling that I wasn't gonna find them, so I'm glad I got them already. Yeah, you guys, I had plans to film so many videos in here. I mean, this store just is so well stocked. Like, we go from Christmas where everything is just like very crazy. And this is my first time coming out to this location. I did go to the combo store but this is my first time coming back to this location since before Christmas. And to be honest, I didn't know what to expect, but it just is so amazing. It looks so neat and so clean. So, wow, she's doing an amazing job. Brand new, one last item, you guys. This is the Diabetics Dry Skin Relief Body Wash by Modest Basics, 12 ounces. Definitely a brand new product to look for if that's something that you're interested in. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. I gotta beat the storm home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. If you guys haven't joined the family, I'd love to have you join the Bunny Birdy Gator family. Everyone is welcome, so all you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe. All right, you guys, well, I'm out of here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.